Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Scamp and Dude discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Scamp and Dude discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Coupon Birds. And as you can see right here, you have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, right here that you want to get this one with 25% discount of any qualifying orders. All you need to do is just select this button where it says get code. And this is the promo code right here that you can simply copy from this button and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase to get a 25% discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Retrieved. And as you can see, we have some promo codes right here as well that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, right here that you want to get this 20% discount promo code. All you need to do is just select this button where it says copy code. And this is the promo code right here. So you can simply select and copy this promo code. And you can apply this one so that you can get a 20% discount of your next order. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.